Man, y'all know I wish I can go live, but I can't. I had to come out here and let y'all know she's lying. She's not in the federal court. She filed with the CCB Claims Board, the Copyright Claims Board. That has no federal jurisdiction. It's not a federal tribunal. It's not federal at all. It's just another way to have your copyright infringement case heard if you are not able to get into the federal court because you don't want to wait on the certificate of registration. The copyright claims board, it's a different way with um, reduced fines and fees or whatever else. It's only $65. She collected almost $400 to go to federal court. She is not at federal court. She did not file in federal court. This is not a federal court. And she is misleading the people. I will definitely, if she comes on here today, I will file with the State Bar of California stating that she is outright and intentionally misleading the people, stating that she has filed a case in the federal court while she knows she has filed with the CCB. This is intentional, this is misleading, and this is scam. I wish I could go live, but I can't, y'all. She filed with the CCB. I found the case on docket with the CCB. You can look it up for yourself. It has no federal, the CCB has no federal ties. It can only hear this type copyright case because it was designed to give another option to the federal courts. It's not a federal tribune. It's not a federal court. It's just something that the copyright office used to hear cases outside of the federal court. Okay, the limitations is 30,000. It gets you into being heard without the certificate of registration. She could not file in the federal court today. She went down there. If she went down to the federal court, they told her no, and then she filed with the CCB. She is misleading and lying, and if she comes on here today and anyway indicate that she has filed this case with the federal courts, I'm going to contact the state bar. I have a copy of the docket for the CCB. I have a copy of the docket. You can look up the docket number yourself. She posted the docket number. Get the docket number, go to the CCB claims board, and you'll see that she has it there, not the federal court. She just lied and indicated that she's still in the federal court filing another case. She is lying. She could not file today. It is a shame that this attorney has come out here and decided to scam, mislead, intentionally mislead the people to believe that she is in federal court filing documents for the copyright infringement. That is so wrong, and I wish you guys get a copy of it. File it with the state board stating that she uses this document to indicate to people that she took money from that she filed her case in the federal court. Okay, get the screenshots that she is saying that she filed and not get the screenshots, everything. Send it to the state board. This is fraud. This is scamming. She took up money for the federal court. The CCB is only about $65 to file in the CCB. $65, $85 to still file with the claims board. She's nowhere near the federal court. She couldn't even file the case in the federal court. And before she come and tell the truth, she came out here and mislead the people. That is sick. I've already filed one case. I am definitely going to take my time. Like I said, I got a lot of time. You lied to the people again. This has got to stop. Why would you not just come back and say justice was right? I could not file my case in the federal court today because I did not have the certificate of registration. What you choose to do has come back with a docket from the CCC claim board, and I posted it. I took all your information off. I can show the docket number partially. You filed that case with the CC board, and if you indicating that it's a federal entity, you're fraudulent. You're frauding, committing fraud, intentional fraud, because you took the money under false pretenses. Okay, I'm not. This has got to stop. This is outright fraud. This is outright scamming. You indicated that you filed a case in federal court today. You did not file a copyright infringement case in the federal court today. You filed it with the CCB. And if you come out here and tell the people that the CCB is a federal entity, I'm going to file again. I'm going to file with the California State Board, as well as the Nevada State Board. I'm telling you, I'm filing. You don't even have to even second guess it. You need to clean it up. Come out, come out here and tell the truth. Just tell the truth. You cannot file that case, the copyright infringement, in the federal court today. Instead, you came out here and told a lie. '74, I would encourage you and anybody else, even the people she scammed for money. She took y'all money and now lying before she come out here and tell the truth. Before she comes out here and tell the truth and says, I'm not able to file my case in the federal court because I do not have the certificate of registration. She put a docket up, did not show y'all where the docket was from. I can show you the docket. Claims board. Y'all got the docket. I'm like, why won't she show the whole? Because the federal docket don't look like that. I know the federal docket didn't look like that. So it is the Copyright Claims Board. That is nothing federal about that. It is not a federal entity. Okay, it just was up there to hear copyright infringement cases. She has lied again. She continues to lie in your face. Instead of coming out here and telling the truth, she chooses to lie. She chooses to scam. Okay, and that's a shame. You collect that over almost $400, and then you filed with the Copyright Claims Board for $65. What are you going to do with the rest of the money? These people gave you their money in good faith. And instead of coming to tell the truth, you came out here to mislead them. I'll be back, guys.